I'm Dr. Chan Kit Yee. I'm a Consultant Paediatrician and a Paediatric cardiologist. I manage a large number of general ambulatory paediatric patients dealing with a wide spectrum of childhood illnesses, including newborn care. As a paediatric cardiologist, I diagnose and treat children with congenital heart defects. I also see a mix of patients with cardiac-related symptoms, such as murmurs from both minor and major heart diseases, chest pain, dizzy and fainting spells, palpitations, and rhythm disorders. I have always enjoyed science and have always been intrigued with the functions of the human body. I sought for a job which gave me an opportunity to directly help people, especially children. So becoming a doctor was a perfect fit. I love working with children and enjoy being around them a lot. So the natural choice for me was to branch into pediatric medicine and to subspecialize into cardiology, which was one of my strongest interests when I studied medicine. Most of the time, I deal with simple medical issues, but there are times when problems are more complicated, like complex heart lesions, which could involve several high-risk major surgical procedures. Breaking guarded and bad news to the families of patients and navigating them through the different management options can be emotionally draining. But in both the highs and lows, we as doctors have a major role to play in providing support to the parents to work with the patients at every step of their journey. We need a combination of good people skills, empathy, and often a childlike spirit to deal with all forms of challenges. There is no single proud moment. It is always a joy to be present at the birth of a healthy baby, and also deeply satisfying to be able to help a sick neonate who is unwell during the birth process. I'm delighted to watch the children grow and to help their parents anticipate each stage of their development. It is truly rewarding to walk with these families as their children mature. And in some cases, I've even cared for the second generation. Doctoring is a special mission to be carried out with devotion and compassion. I'm grateful to be doing what I've always wanted to do, to be able to provide professional advice and support children through their illnesses. This is a humble calling which is priceless.